एयरफोर्स एकाडेमी रे पासिंग आउट परेड हैदराबाद रो तुंडीगल रे एयरफोर्स एकाडेमी परिसर रे कार्यक्रम चली सामिल होइछन्ति एयर चीफ मार्शल अमरप्रीत सिंह। तुंडीगल एयरफोर्स एकाडेमी रे ये चित्र आपण देखुछन्ति जोठी पासिंग आउट परेड चली एवं एठी जहा सूचना एयर चीफ मार्शल अमरप्रीत सिंह निजे उपस्थित रहिछन्ति
of the unit's commendable service since its formation. Although today the units have stopped carrying the color into battles, the tradition to receive hope.
Lieutenant Avdut Pandre,
Lieutenant Gaurav Kaushal,
Sub-Lieutenant Kunal Yadav,
Sub-Lieutenant Aryan Nawad,
Assistant Commandant Shubham Shah,
Assistant Commandant Devendra Pratap Singh,
Assistant Commandant Abhineet Gupta,
Assistant Commandant Siddharth Nayak,
Assistant Commandant Sahil Nagra,
Assistant Commandant Nirmal Chandra Das,
Assistant Commandant Ayush Gautam,
Assistant Commandant Sonmali Suraj Krishnan,
Assistant Commandant Arigana Mukherjee,
is Woman Cadet Adjutant Pranjana Prakash Velkede.
Flight Cadet Wu Nuing Ham Kwan,
Ladies and gentlemen, we now come to the crowning moment for individual achievers, wherein the Chief of the Air Staff would felicitate the award winners. President's plaque, first in overall order of merit, Flying Branch, goes to Flying Officer Parag Dhankar.
Ready, sir? Thank you, sir.
That can be given to any military unit of the country. The Chief of the Air Staff, Sword of Honor, goes to Flying Officer Parag Dhankar. Although today the units have stopped.
Ready, sir? Thank you, sir.
That can be given to any military unit of the country. This is the ultimate President's plaque, first in overall order of merit, ground duty officers course, goes to Flying Officer Ram Prasad Gurjar of Administration Branch.
Sir! Ready, sir? Thank you, sir.
That can be given to any military unit of the country. This is the ultimate acknowledgement of the unit's commendable service since its formation. Although today the units have stopped carrying the color into battles, the tradition to receive hope. The Commandant, Air Force Academy, will now administer the oath to the newly commissioned officers.
आप सब मेरे मैं बोलने के पश्चात अपना रैंक, नाम, सर्विस नंबर और ब्रांच बोलें और मेरे साथ दोहराएं। मैं ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची निष्ठा और वफादारी रखूंगा और मैं भारतीय संघ की भारतीय वायुसेना में सेवा के प्रति वचनबद्ध रूप में ईमानदारी और विश्वसनीयता के साथ सेवा करूंगा और जहां भी आदेश किया जाए हवाई, भूमि या समुद्री मार्ग से जाऊंगा और अपनी जान की आखिरी सांस तक भारत के राष्ट्रपति
Central Air Command.
एयरफोर्स एकाडेमी रे पासिंग आउट परेड जहां से चित्र आपण देखुछंती तुंडिगल एयरफोर्स एकाडेमी रे चली पासिंग आउट परेड
Of Vice Chief of the Air Staff. Air Chief Marshal A.P. Singh is married to Mrs. Sarita Singh. The couple is blessed with a son.
सर्जेंट महेश्वर बेहरा पूर्वतन वायुसेना अधिकारी अधिक आलोचना पाई रहिछंती श्रुत बेहरा पासिंग आउट परेड रो आमे जहा चित्र वर्तमान देखौछु किभଳି देखुछंती केते संख्या रे खास करी ये पासिंग आउट परेड बा नियुक्ति पाइबा को जाउछंती
एटा गोटे निश्चित गोटे देश ପାଇଁ गोटे गौरव विषय पिला माननको जो माने रो पिला से माने किसी जानी नांती सिविल सोसाइटी रो नहीं तांको जो ट्रेनिंग दे जो हम एयरफोर्स रो गोटे सोल्जर यू कैन से सोल्जर ऑल आर सोल्जर से ऑफिसर होंती बा सोल्जर हो ऑल आर सोल्जर तैयारी करबा एटा बहुत कष्ट एवं आमे भी खुशी देशवासी मध्य खुशी ये जो पेरेड पासिंग आउट पेरेड देखुचंदी निश्चित देशवासी देखिए बहुत खुशी होते आजिकल वर्तमान स्पेशली जो वर्तमान समय जो वारंट जो परिस्थिति से परिस्थिति रे गोटे सैनिक तैयारी करके आगो आनिबा एटा देश पाई बहुत बहुत गोटे वरदान भलिया आमे आशा करूछु यही जो पिला माने बर्तमान बाहरिले एमानकर आउरी अनेक शिखवार अच्छी कि जो पासिंग आउट पैरेड जो भाग नेले जो वर्ष दिवस ट्रेनिंग नेले एमाने डिफेन्स एते फास्ट सेथरे समाने एते नॉलेज वर्तमान समाने गेन करनथिबे इन कमिंग डेज समाने ताका सीनियर संग रही बहुत किछि ताको शिखवार अच्छी कि तापरे समाने एक्सपीरियंस निश्चित गेन करिवे गेन कला परे आम सैन्य बाहिनी आउरी सुदृढ़ हबो बोली मु आशा करूछि एवं मोर निज तरफ देशवासी तरफ से पिला
from. It is for an alumnus of this fine academy, it is a dream come true to come back here as the reviewing officer. At the outset, I must compliment each and everyone on parade for the very high standard shown, especially the immaculate turnout and crisp drill movements. The training and hard work put in to present such an impressive parade is very apparent. My congratulations to the 214th course officers for successfully completing their rigorous training and being commissioned into this fine service. A warm welcome to you in this Air Force. Congratulations to the officers from Indian Navy and Coast Guard and the cadet from Vietnam for earning the coveted wings. The training here has transformed you into more disciplined, confident, and learned individuals and equipped you with the required skills, psyche, and attitude so that you can go on to become thorough professionals in your respective fields and make a difference in any conflict as a user of air power. It is an extremely proud moment not only for you, but also for your families. I want to express my sincere gratitude to the proud parents and relatives who are here and to those who could not make it here. It is your unwavering support that has helped these young officers achieve their dreams. I will fail in my duty if I do not acknowledge the efforts put in by the instructors and staff and all personnel of Air Force Academy and other training establishments. My compliments to the CNC Training Command, his team, and all training establishments involved for successful completion of yet another course. Coming back to the young officers, when you decided to serve the nation, you chose a career that is not only challenging, but very honorable. As we look towards the future, only two things are certain: fast evolving nature of warfare and the increasing relevance of aerospace power. You, the new generation officers, will be a part of this exciting and ever-evolving domain. The branches you represent, be it flying, other operations, maintenance, or administration, are all an integral part of this unified force. Remember, our strength as a force comes not just from excellence of individuals, but from cohesion of the whole team. No branch operates in isolation. For that matter, no service can operate in isolation. So try and learn from each other and support each other. Whether in the sky or on ground, each one of you have a vital role to play in operations. Make sure that you understand your role and task very well and do your best so that you are never found wanting in your domain. Even though this is a culmination of years of perseverance and structured training as a cadet or flight cadet, but in reality, it is just the beginning of new learning, beginning of a life full of enriching experiences. You will be constantly pressed to expand your horizons, increase your limits, discover new skills and capabilities. You will operate and maintain sophisticated aircraft and systems worth hundreds and crores of rupees. To remain abreast of the latest as you grow in service, the quest for knowledge should remain forever. While you keep growing as a professional, remaining fighting fit should also be your priority. For overall development, maintain a healthy lifestyle, focus on physical and mental fitness, indulge in sports, take time out for your hobbies, and inculcate love for reading.